process begins with recovered industrial metal. Every piece is inspected, sorted and selected for what it can contribute to the new motor.
This industrial bandsaw cuts through heavy steel with extreme precision. Proper cooling is essential to maintain the blade. Our skilled technicians monitor every step of the fabrication process.
From discarded metal to precisely formed electrical components, the motor is beginning to take shape, but the most demanding stages are still ahead: assembly, insulation, balancing, and high-voltage testing. Critical shaft dimensions are checked again after machining. Precision at this stage helps prevent vibration and alignment problems later. Before high-voltage testing begins, insulation resistance is checked to identify unwanted electrical leakage and confirm that the winding system is properly isolated.
Let's check the runout on this unit. Perfectly within tolerance. Perfectly within tolerance. Tell me if you hear anything. It sounds very smooth so far. Good, no resistance at all.
Before electrical power is applied, technicians perform a simple mechanical check. The shaft should rotate smoothly without unusual resistance or contact.
वोल्टेज ठीक है, अब फ्रीक्वेंसी चेक करें।
Once the motor reaches stable speed, technicians watch for abnormal vibration, noise, or temperature behavior.
Check the voltage on phase 2. It looks stable at 400. Increasing the load to maximum now. All parameters are within normal limits. Record the baseline voltage now. Temperature is stable at 50. Position the terminal cover. Looks good. Secure the fan guard now.
Critical fasteners receive a final torque check. These small details help ensure the heavy assembly remains secure throughout operation. From discarded industrial metal to a tested 20-kilowatt electric motor, every stage depends on precision, skilled hands, and careful engineering. This is where scrap is given a second life, and where raw material becomes industrial power. Hopefully you enjoyed my small effort to bring you this remarkable documentary. Like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.